Hi guys, it's Eamon here from Helvetic. Just on the job here today, we're installing some of our infrared panels. So this is a terraced house. The client had electric heating, so upgraded to the infrared panels. So this is our Prima panel range. There's one in each room. So this is the hallway. You can see the panel nice and slim. It's only 15 mil thick, and it sits directly to the ceiling, so there's no gap. And then here on the wall you have your touchscreen controller that'll regulate the heat. Then we go into this bedroom here. We can see the panel on the ceiling again. And then we have a touchscreen controller which is monitoring the power consumption. You can adjust the temperature. So this panel, for example, is 750 watts. So it'll use around 10 to 12 cents of electricity per working hour, which is very, very efficient. Then we move into the next bedroom. You can see the panel here again on the ceiling, nice and neat. And then in the bathroom we install some mirror panels. So this is a 350 watt mirror, which will cost maybe 5 cents an hour to run. Then in the bathroom we have a mirror. It's quite hot. It gets to around 90 degrees. Won't like I can leave my hand in that now. It's fine. That one is a 600 watt panel. So that mirror panel will heat that room here. Then we move into this room here. We can see the panel on the ceiling here, and touchscreen controller on the wall again. Very nice and neat. And finally we go into the last bedroom, and again the panel on the ceiling here, and the touchscreen controller is here. So for more information, check out our website helvetic.ie.